You may be confused about what commercial washroom door accessories are available or needed for your washroom, but by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what you may need. My name is Jonah Benson and I've worked here at Dolphin for the last 5 years. In this video, we'll take you through the different styles of rope hooks and door stops, how to add character to these door accessories, and when or why they should be installed in your commercial washroom. We'll be answering, what are the different styles of coat hook? What are the different styles of door stops? Can they be coated in special finishes? Why install door accessories? What are the different styles of commercial coat hooks? There are a few different styles of commercial coat hooks. The first one is the single rope hook. If you'd like timeless simplicity, this classic hook will fit perfectly in a more traditional washroom design. The second one is the double rope hook. This is a straight or angled 2-in-1 solution, accommodating a hanging space for more than one item behind the door, such as coats and bags, towels and various garments. Another one is the straight rope hook with an indent. This hook gives a contemporary feel and is a more popular style for modern day washrooms. Lastly, rope hook and doorstop. This is a multi-purpose accessory that acts as both a rope hook and a doorstop with its plastic or rubber end. All of these come in rose and roseless options. Being available in both options gives designers the opportunity to match these door accessories with other mounted fittings to provide consistency in the washroom design. What are the different styles of commercial door stops? There are two main styles of door stops, the floor-mounted door stop and the wall-mounted door stop. The floor-mounted version has a securely fixed rubber bumper, is durable and can withstand regular impacts in high usage areas. Its low-profile, unobtrusive design is ideal for commercial washrooms and can stop doors being slammed open which can damage the wall. Without infringing on floor space, wall-mounted door stops are equipped with a rubber or plastic tip, are easy to fit and add a decorative element to the washroom. Can hooks and door stops be coated in special finishes? Yes! Add personality to your commercial door accessories with special finishes that include polyester powder coat, PVD and ceramic coating. Another popular option is keeping to the classic and subtle style of brushed or mirror polished stainless steel, but commonly people prefer to match their doorstop or rope hook to the finish of other accessories in the washroom. Why install door accessories? The most obvious reason to install a door stopper is to prevent damage to the wall and tiling when swung open quickly or forcefully. It also reduces maintenance costs for damaged walls and offers a decorative element to the WC cubicle. Rope hooks should be paired with door stops to prevent damage to the wall unless a multi-purpose rope hook with a plastic or rubber end acting as a door stop is installed. A rope hook is convenient for users to hang garments, towels, bags and other items on, and it's important to remember that these fittings are a requirement to be installed in accessible washrooms, not just a nice to have. If you are undecided about which commercial door accessories you should choose, visit our page linked below to see our full range of Dolphin coat hooks and door stops, or click here to go to our washroom learning centre.